We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive and expert-driven assessment of the desk toys for Fidget Kinetic Cool Gadgets by Joy Toy. If you own this product, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description using it supports the channel. The desk toys for Fidget Kinetic Cool Gadgets stands out as a unique, visually captivating, and highly functional stress relief accessory designed for adults, teens, and children. At its core, this Kinetic desk toy is a compact spinning ball measuring approximately 1.48 inches in diameter and weighing just under 3 ounces. Its small and sturdy form factor makes it an ideal addition to any workspace, whether at home, in the office, or at school. The product is manufactured by Joy Toy and is recommended for ages 3 and up, though care should be taken with younger children due to its size. One of the most celebrated features of this desk toy is its ability to spin for up to 180 seconds, thanks to the high-quality bearing and precision-milled spiral grooves on its surface. When set in motion with a simple flick, the ball creates a mesmerizing 360-degree spiral optical illusion that captures attention and provides a unique sensory experience. This effect is not only visually striking, but also serves as an effective tool for stress relief, focus enhancement, and relaxation. Many users report that watching the smooth, continuous spinning action helps calm the mind, reduce anxiety, and promote a sense of tranquility during busy workdays or study sessions. The build quality of the desk toys for Fidget Kinetic Cool Gadgets is frequently praised. The toy is described as heavy and solid, with a satisfying weight that conveys durability and quality. The materials used in its construction are robust, and the toy is rigorously tested before leaving the factory to ensure long-lasting performance. Several reviewers have noted that the toy withstands accidental drops onto hard surfaces, such as tile floors, without sustaining damage, making it suitable for both adults and children who may handle it less gently. Aesthetically, the toy features a sleek black design with silver spiral accents, giving it a modern and stylish appearance that complements any desk or tabletop. The visual contrast between the black and silver enhances the hypnotic effect of the spinning motion, making it a conversation starter and a focal point in any setting. Its compact size allows it to fit comfortably on desks of all sizes, and its understated elegance ensures it does not overwhelm other decor elements. Usability is another key strength of this Kinetic desk toy. It is easy to use. Simply place it on its base and give it a flick to set it spinning. The base is equipped with shock-absorbing pads that prevent slipping and minimize noise, ensuring a quiet and distraction-free experience. This makes the toy ideal for use during conference calls, meetings, or while working on tasks that require concentration. The quiet operation is highlighted as a major advantage over other fidget toys, which can sometimes produce distracting sounds. In terms of performance, the desk toys for Fidget Kinetic Cool Gadgets consistently delivers a smooth and stable spinning action. The high-quality bearing allows for extended spin times, with many users reporting durations close to the advertised 180 seconds. The optical illusion effect remains consistent throughout the spin, maintaining its mesmerizing quality from start to finish. This reliability makes the toy a dependable tool for quick stress relief during short breaks or moments of frustration. The versatility of this desk toy is another aspect that receives positive attention. While its primary function is as a stress relief and focus-enhancing gadget, it also serves as an attractive paperweight or decorative piece. Its appeal spans a wide range of users, from professionals seeking a way to manage workplace stress, to students looking for a study aid, to children and teens who enjoy interactive and visually stimulating toys. The toy's universal appeal makes it a popular gift choice for holidays, birthdays, and special occasions. Despite its many strengths, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. Some users express a desire for a larger version of the toy, suggesting that a bigger size could make an even more impressive statement as a coffee table centerpiece. However, the current size is generally appreciated for its portability and unobtrusive presence on smaller desks. Another point to consider is safety with young children. While the toy is recommended for ages 3 and up, its small size means it could pose a choking hazard if placed in the mouth. So, supervision is advised when used by younger children. The desk toys for Fidget Kinetic Cool Gadgets also stands out for its ability to engage a wide audience. Adults find it helpful for managing stress and maintaining focus during demanding workdays. Children and teens are drawn to its interactive and visually engaging design. Even visitors to the home or office often find themselves captivated by the spinning motion, making it an effective conversation starter. Some users have even experimented with showing the toy to pets, though results may vary depending on the animal's interest in visual stimuli. In terms of value, the product is regarded as reasonably priced, especially considering its durability, performance, and the quality of materials used. It is often mentioned as a great gift or stocking stuffer, suitable for a variety of occasions and recipients. The combination of functionality, aesthetics, and affordability makes it a compelling choice for anyone seeking a practical yet entertaining desk accessory. From a maintenance perspective, the toy requires minimal care. The high-quality bearing and solid construction mean it continues to perform well over time with little to no maintenance required. Users recommend keeping the surface clean to preserve the visual appeal of the spiral grooves, but otherwise, the toy is designed for long-term use without significant wear or degradation. Customer feedback is overwhelmingly positive, with the product achieving a perfect rating from dozens of reviewers. Common themes in user reviews include the toy's mesmerizing spinning action, its calming effect, its sturdy build, and its suitability as both a functional tool and a decorative item. Negative feedback is rare and generally limited to personal preferences regarding size or color options. Some users mention that they would like to see additional color choices or a larger version, but these are minor suggestions rather than significant drawbacks. In summary, the desk toys for Fidget Kinetic Cool Gadgets by Joy-Joy is a standout product in the category of stress relief and focus-enhancing desk accessories. Its combination of mesmerizing optical illusion, smooth and quiet spinning action, durable construction, and stylish design make it a favorite among users of all ages. Whether used as a tool for managing stress and anxiety, a way to enhance focus during work or study, or simply as an attractive and engaging desk ornament, this Kinetic desk toy delivers on all fronts. Its universal appeal, ease of use, and excellent value make it a highly recommended addition to any workspace or home environment. If you are considering adding a stress relief gadget to your desk or searching for a unique and thoughtful gift, the desk toys for Fidget Kinetic Cool Gadgets is an excellent choice. Its proven performance, positive user feedback, and enduring quality ensure that it will continue to provide enjoyment and relaxation for years to come. Don't forget to check the product link in the description to support the channel and see current pricing and availability. And if you already own this item, please share your experience in the comments to help others make an informed decision.